A 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, heated seats, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, premium wheels, backup camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.